Welcome to the last installment of my design plan for this 3-story, 2-sided dollhouse that I'm going to be remaking over into Modern Farmhouse style, trying to hand make as much as I can on a budget, all in 1:12 scale, which is 1 inch equals 12 inches or 1 foot. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you're interested in seeing more. In the meantime, I've actually already painted the frame of the dollhouse out in white, and I'm going to get started on discussing the plan for the top floor, which features the bathroom, closet area on one side, and a kid's bedroom and landing at the top of the stairs on the other side. So this is the base floor plan for the upper floor of this dollhouse, and it does feature peaked roofs, so faux wood beams are part of this plan but won't be shown. And the first thing that I really started with was the bathroom planning. I knew I wanted to have a clawfoot tub somewhere in the bathroom and a shower. Next up was the closet area. I really wanted a kind of walk-in closet vibe with maybe a spot to sit of some kind, a little reading nook maybe involved in there, just something really cozy. The next room that I designed was the kids room and nursery. I really want to be able to make a bunch of different furniture, so I want a twin-size kids bed and to have a crib in there as well. And then I'm going to kind of use the landing and storage area as part of the kids room and nursery. Like, I want it to be a kid-friendly space. At one point, I decided to change the shower direction and size just to suit the space and my design a little bit more. So I actually made it against that dividing wall, and I'm just kind of figuring out how I want the tile to be. I really wanted an organic tile transition where it kind of flows into my faux hardwood. So I'm just trying that out here, trying to plan the pattern that I want and the colors so it's easier when I get to that section. This is my dream board, my inspiration for the furniture pieces and style of this floor. It doesn't necessarily represent the colors I'll be using, it's just more of the style of furniture and the vibe of this space. I really want it to feel cozy, farmhouse, little vintage, but still clean. I plan on using a lot of different textures in this floor, so woods, tile, probably some paneling, fabrics in the bedding and the carpets and towels, and also a lot of like rattan and wicker and probably some twine and macrame cord, things like that, just to really make it feel homey. I was so excited to keep going on this journey, and I hope that you follow along with me. So please hit like and subscribe and get notifications for future videos where I can show you some of the other projects I've been working on. I have also posted some short videos just showing some clips of things along the way. So be sure to check that out on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait for my next DIY video. I'm hoping to show you guys my flooring process, so stay tuned.